Welcome back! Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of maracuja, also known as passion fruit. This tropical fruit isn't just delicious, but packs a serious nutritional punch. Maracuja is loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and polyphenols. These powerful compounds are essential for maintaining good health and protecting your body from harmful free radicals. These compounds combat oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to aging and various diseases. They are linked to the prevention of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes, making maracuja a valuable addition to your diet. By incorporating maracuja into your diet, you can enjoy its delicious flavor while boosting your health. You're giving your body an extra layer of defense against the damaging effects of oxidative stress. Think of antioxidants as little warriors fighting off damage in your cells, keeping you healthier and more resilient. Maracuja is a fantastic source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which is great for your gut. This tropical fruit not only tastes delicious, but also supports your digestive health in multiple ways. Fiber keeps things moving smoothly, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. It helps in maintaining a healthy digestive tract. Plus, it acts as prebiotics, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. These good bacteria are essential for a balanced microbiome. And those seeds, packed with even more fiber for an extra digestive boost. Incorporating maracuja into your diet can be a simple yet effective way to enhance your digestive health. Maracuja can give your immune system a helping hand with its high vitamin C content. Vitamin C helps produce white blood cells that fight off infections. Maracuja also has antimicrobial properties, protecting against harmful bacteria and fungi. So, the next time you're feeling under the weather, reach for a juicy maracuja. Maracuja can be a valuable ally in keeping our hearts strong. It provides potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. The fiber in maracuja helps lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that can clog arteries. And those antioxidants protect our blood vessels from damage. Maracuja oil, extracted from the seeds, is a treasure trove of skin-loving nutrients. It keeps your skin moisturized and fights off free radical damage, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. Maracuja can help maintain stable blood sugar levels. The fiber content slows down sugar absorption, preventing drastic spikes and crashes. Some studies suggest that compounds in passion fruit may improve insulin sensitivity. This could be especially beneficial for those at risk of or living with type 2 diabetes. Maracuja contains powerful compounds that combat inflammation. These compounds target inflammatory pathways, reducing pro-inflammatory molecules. Incorporating maracuja into your diet can help tame inflammation and provide relief from inflammatory conditions. Maracuja is an excellent source of vitamin A, which is vital for maintaining healthy vision. It also contains beta-carotene, an essential nutrient for good vision and overall eye health. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the health of our retinas, helping to prevent night blindness and other vision problems. Beta-carotene acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting our eyes from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. Including maracuja in your diet can help safeguard your vision and support overall eye health. It can also reduce the risk of age-related eye disorders, such as macular degeneration and cataracts, ensuring your eyes stay healthy as you age. Maracuja contains Harmon alkaloids, which have a calming effect on the nervous system. These compounds promote relaxation and reduce anxiety. By calming your mind and body, maracuja may help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. Enjoy a serving of maracuja before bed for sleep-enhancing benefits. Maracuja is naturally low in calories and fat, making it a guilt-free indulgence. The fiber in maracuja adds bulk to your diet, helping you feel fuller for longer. This can prevent overeating and support your weight loss efforts. Next time you're craving something sweet, reach for a maracuja. We've explored the incredible health benefits of maracuja. From boosting your immune system to promoting radiant skin, maracuja has so much to offer. Enjoy it fresh in smoothies, juices, desserts, or even savory dishes. Thanks for watching. Follow for more videos like this. Bye!